Good morning, dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. In previous video, you all got the portion for pre-midterm. English portion for pre-midterm had already completed, and notes I think you all noted down in your English fair copy. You all go through all the previous videos and prepare for your examination. Very soon your examination will conducted through online and you will having online exam. In PDF you got portion for pre-midterm which I already sent you. You go through with your chapter and you must study thoroughly all the lessons. Now you got information for pre-midterm. Get ready for your examination. Now let's continue the class. In previous video, we start a new chapter from your Beehive book, chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. And it's about Albert Einstein. Before we go through the rest chapter, we just recall it. This story is about Albert Einstein's life, or to say biography. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm. His mother thought he was a freak and his head was too large. He didn't speak until the age of 2.5 years. When he finally started speaking, he uttered everything twice. And he loved mechanical toys and preferred being by himself. He had a little sister called Maja. The headmaster at the school Einstein studied told his father that no matters what career Einstein would choose, he had never successful in his life. After then, he played the violin and later became a gift amateur violinist. He went to the high school in Munich and left the school at the age of 15. His parents had moved to Milan and left him to Munich with relatives. After then, he got to continue his education in a city. He was interested in physics and highly gifted in mathematics. He studied at the university in Zurich. After then, Albert fell in love with Mileva Maric, whom he thought was a clever creature. At the age of 21, he was a university graduate, but still unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. He secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in Bern. He was actually developing his own ideas in secret. He called his desk as a Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Now we start the rest paragraphs of this chapter. On the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey. If one of them has been moving very fast relative to other. From the followed the world's most famous formula which describe the relationship between mass and energy. And what's the formula? E is equal to mc square. Now you see the word meanings. What's the meaning of absolute here? That means complete and not related to anything. Indeed, that means really. And what's the meaning of mass? A large quantity of matter without any shape. Vacuum. Vacuum means where there is nothing. Then in the year 1905, Einstein published his first paper. It was about special theory of relativity. In his publication, it was with that the measurement of time and distance is not absolute. It depended on something else, according to which time and distance are not absolute. According to the theory, if there are two clocks and both are moving, they will not show the same time. One clock will move faster than the other. From this followed the world famous formula. It described the relationship between mass and energy. The theory of relativity gave us the form of physics. E is equal to mc square. Here E stands for energy, m is for mass of object and c stands for the speed of the light in vacuum. And vacuum means when there is no air, and the speed of light in a vacuum is almost 3 lakh kilometer per second. To put into a simpler word, after then Einstein gave a good example. When you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. When you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. Here Einstein gave good example. Einstein said, when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. And it's really true. After then, on the other hand, when you sit in a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. So a person would feel the timing differently. That only Einstein wants to say that the times change. This is the theory of relativity. After then, 10th paragraph, while Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, His private life was unraveling. Albert was wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said Einstein put the wedding off. First, you see the word meanings. Unraveling, what's the meaning of unraveling? Starting to feel. Bothered, that means full of anxiety. After then, through he was solved the complicated problems in physics for the whole world. His personal life started becoming problematic. He started to fail in his personal life. Albert Einstein wanted to marry Mileva Maric soon after he finished his studies, but his mother, Pauline Einstein, was against this marriage. Pauline thought Mileva was 3 years elder to Albert Einstein, and Pauline thought that Mileva was very intelligent to be a wife. She told that actually Mileva was also like a book and was similar to him, and his mother was against this marriage. He cancelled this wedding with Mileva. After then, the pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. What's the meaning of faltered? That means failed. Meanwhile, meaning of meanwhile, during the period. Ambitions, that means great desire. Divorce means separated in marriage. Now, Albert Einstein married Mileva Maric in the year of 1903 and had 2 sons. As Mileva Maric was very intelligent, being a housewife, she could not cook with her ambitions. She could not fulfill her ambitions, and he started become unhappy. Actually, she was equally intelligent in compare with Einstein. Mileva was unhappy from this marriage. She could not fulfill his career dreams. So finally, in the year of 1919, after prolonged fighting, both of them separated. However, and quick, they take divorce. Albert Einstein married the second time. He married with his cousin Elsa. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame in 1915. He had published his general theory of relativity, which provide a new interpretations of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1990 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed star would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspaper proclaimed his force as a scientific revolution. Provided that means gave out. Gravity, what is the meaning of gravity? Gravity means of earth force of attraction. Extent, that means limit. Gravitational relating to force of attraction. Proclaimed means declared. At that time, Einstein married Elsa. Another thing coincident. It was Einstein's world fame. He got success in life after married with Elsa. Einstein became world famous. Everyone acknowledged him a great scientist. Then after, in the year of 1915, he published one more paper which was based on general theory of relativity, which gave a new interpretation to gravity. Gravity, you all know that everything falls to earth. Earth has gravitational force. This theory got a new interpretation by Einstein theory of relativity. In the theory, in this year 1919, there was a solar eclipse which provided that Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity was correct. Albert Einstein had calculated in the year of 1915. In the year 1919, there would be a solar eclipse. That means Albert Einstein had previously calculated in 1915. Due to it, the apart position of a star would change to some extent. In 1919, solar eclipse was there. That it proved that general theory of relativity is correct. For solar eclipse, the sun is between and the position of the star changed. If you see from the earth, when the light comes from the stars, it bumps into the sun and it deflects, and the direction changed of the star in few part different, and which how many degree change that Einstein has previously calculated in 1915, and his calculation was accurate. So it was announced that Albert Einstein's work was a scientific revolution. Now Einstein changed physics. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Showered means given. Lauded means praised in word. Then after, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in the year of 1921. The theory of Einstein gained worldwide acclaim. Nobel Prize is one of the Swedish scientists which was belonged to Sweden. Only for his willpower it was established in 1895. First Nobel Prize given in 1901. The theory of Einstein gained worldwide acclaim. Albert Einstein became world famous. He was invited all over the world. Even his press also lauded him. After marriage to Elsa, his life became changed, and the theory of relativity, it gives the fame. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. What the meaning of immigrated? That means went to reside. Meaning of nuclear, of nucleus. Fission, that means act of splitting. Uproar, that means great noise. In 1933, when Germany came under the power of Nazis, the famous Nazis ruler was Adolf Hitler. I think you all heard the name Hitler. At that time, Einstein left Germany and shifted to United States of America forever. After 5 years, the Germans discovered the process of nuclear fission, the process through which nuclear bomb and atomic bomb are made. This process was prepared in Berlin. Due to this, all the physicists in America were upset as they feared with the misuse of the technology. There were many scientists who escaped to America because of fascism. Was a dictatorial concept which was started in Europe from the Italy by the ruler of Benito Mussolini. Is also a dictatorial, just like Adolf Hitler. All the scientists were afraid that Nazis could misuse the atomic bomb. Most of the scientists went from Germany and settled in USA. At the urging of colleagues, Einstein wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. What's the meaning of urging? That means asking much. Exploded, that means got fired. Territory, that means area. Albert Einstein was requested by a colleagues and he wrote a letter to President of America of that time was Franklin D. Roosevelt. And 2nd August 1939, he warned him that the atomic bomb was developed by Germany was very, very powerful. If one of them bomb exploded in any port, it would destroy the whole surrounding territory. What shows? This shows Einstein humanitarian quality. He want good for the people. He wanted peace in the world. That is why he wrote his concern to President and warned him. Albert Einstein later effect. And what's the reaction? In secret way, the American developed it into cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The German had just developed the atomic bomb. They did not use it on any country, but American did. This is about in World War II, American dropped bomb to Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945 and it destroyed the whole Japan. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it he proposed the formation of the world government, unlike the letter to Roosevelt. This one made no impact, but over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms build-up and using his popularity to campaigning for peace and democracy. What's the meaning of missive? That means letter. Proposed, that means suggested. Impact, that means a effect. Decades, that means period of 10 years. After the lots of destruction took place and Einstein was shaken, he wrote an official letter to the United Nations Organization. Albert Einstein proposed to form a world government, but this letter didn't bear any fruit. That means no reply. For another 10 years, Einstein was involved in world peace. He was involved in collecting arms and developing weapons. He started campaigning for world peace and democracy. And his main agenda was world peace and freedom of people. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Celebrated means rejoiced. And what the meaning of visionary? that means a person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way. Then Einstein could foresee the future when he died in 1955 at the age of 76. The world celebrated him a visionary. He was a world citizen and a scientific genius too. With this, we complete our chapter. But what's the theme in the story? The story tells us about the sensitive mind of Albert Einstein, which was always concerned about the future generation. He was rightfully called a world citizen. And what's the message? The life and achievement of the famous scientist Einstein give us the message that truly beautiful mind possesses not only vision but also make sincere effort to use this vision for the well-being of mankind. Science should be devoted to the promotion of world peace and prosperity. If used for destructive purpose, the scientific invention and discoveries can wreak havoc on humanity. And in this way, we completed our chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. I think you all understood about this chapter, the whole biography of Einstein. Thank you.